severe thunderstorm warning for southern Elkhart County, Indiana, until 6:15 p.m.
So
Eastern
stupid.
Daylight Time. At 5:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Dela to near Wakarusa, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhart, Goshen, Napanee, Dunlap, Wakarusa, Millersburg, New Paris, Benton, Locke, Southwest, Foraker, and Waterford Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Elkhart, Indiana.
Flash flood warning.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a flash flood warning for Marshall County, Indiana, Eastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 6:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Plymouth, Bremen, Bourbon, Argus, Culver, Coons Lake, Oak Grove, La Paz, Twin Lakes, Rutland, Hibbard, Baroque, Donaldson, Kiner, Maxinkuckee, Linksville, Inwood, Lake of the Woods, Grovertown, and over. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Marshall and Stark,